This is the demonstration of mediator pattern in C++. For that, I've created C mediator class, which inherits this iMediator equipment interface. This interface will be, the interface methods will be visible to every equipment. So there is one method called send message to equipment, which sends a message to that equipment. And all this logic is handled in cmediator.cpp. So the beauty of mediator pattern is that the calling object which sends a message and the receiving object which receives the message doesn't need to have each other's pointers. And I will show you that in a bit. So for demonstration purposes, I have made this QStick class send a message to the cball class that it is hit, and once it's hit, it will change its position and its color. So for that, I'm using this JSON structure which has two. I have sent a message to see a cue ball, and what is the action? The action is hit. And going inside send message to equipment method, it will get the equipment by what we have sent in to, which is cue ball. So it will loop through all the elements in the mediator class back equipments, and it will fetch the cue ball. Now we have cue ball here, and I'm just storing the action in a string, in a different string. So if the action is hit, I will cast this equipment in a cball class and call its method hit, which does the position change and color change. Let's see that in action. So if I press H, as you can see, it's moving and the color is changing randomly. So the essence of mediator pattern is that the calling class, or the communication between two classes, in the communication between two classes, each of these classes doesn't need to have a pointer to the other class. So this mediator acts as a central object which handles this communication.